Welcome to our guide on American Express rewards. We'll cover everything you need to know to make the most of your points. There are several American Express cards available, each with unique rewards and point systems designed to maximize your benefits. Everyday purchases can significantly increase your points. Let's explore how to maximize your earnings. American Express offers rotating bonus categories. Knowing when to shop can elevate your rewards quickly. Referring friends or family to American Express can yield extra points for both you and them. Keep an eye out for seasonal promotions that can offer limited-time bonuses to boost your points even more. Transferring points to travel partners can provide immense value. Learn how and when to do this effectively. Leverage the Amex Offers feature to earn extra rewards on purchases you already make. Redeeming your points wisely is just as important. We'll show you the best practices for getting the most out of them. Now that you know how to maximize your American Express rewards, start applying these strategies today for a fulfilling rewards journey.